Hi, so how much have I made from Ton ever since I started mining? Now, this is being mined on Telegram, and I know some of you have complained about the fact that in my previous video, when you followed the tutorials, you couldn't find the free version. So I don't know if things have changed, but when you go into I'm going to show you right now on my screen right here. But when you go in there, you see a 1K hash rate per second. And then there are two that are very huge. Those were the paid ones that I went for. So it could be that the initial phase they were offering 1K free mining rate, and that's why some of you cannot find it. But anyway, I'm going to show you how to still activate for very cheap, and I'm going to show you how much profit I made, how much I've invested, and you can just compare and contrast. And if it's profitable for you, feel it's profitable, you want to go for it, then you can choose to go for it. So let's look at it. But before that, you'd like to join my Telegram. I talk about undervalued cryptos, mining apps, airdrops that you can join before the launch. I'll be bringing you one wallet or chain that is about to launch, and you can get in early on airdrops. So join my Telegram and have first-hand information or get heads up on some of these projects. Now, this is undervalued cryptos on Telegram. Simply search for undervalued crypto without an S, and then you can join from there, or simply click the link down in the video description. So let me open my pool and see how much I paid, how much I've earned. Let's do the calculations. I also have a calculator here, so we're going to do everything for you to see. Right from here, I've opened my pool, and you can see I'm already mining at a rate of 275. It dwindles between 274 and 277, sometimes 278K. Okay, now this is simply because I have two premium versions, which are 110K hash per second and 165K hash per second that I activated on February 8th. So it's going to run for 6 months. So you can see right there, we have stroke 6 months for each of them. But the 1K, which I said was free for me, I'm getting it for 1 month. Okay. So that was I think that was from February 8th, but it's just like 1 month, 2 days that they gave me. Okay. And currently I've mined 1.4. Like yesterday when I made a video, I had withdrawn I don't know whether it was yesterday or last 2 days. I had withdrawn 1.0835 ton in my previous video. And right now I have almost 1.5 ton. So I've made almost $4 within that time space. Okay. All right. So how do you let me talk about how you can activate paid mining on this CT pool. I've also shared this link down in the video description. So to activate or to pay to get premium mining rates, like I said, the reason I went for paid was that the free one was very slow. So I went for 100 times of that, even 200 times of the free one. Okay, so that it can make money faster. Like if I were to be using the free one, I wouldn't have made 3.93 within like 24 to 48 hours. I would have made about maybe 10 cents or 15 cents. Okay, so it's going to really boost it fast. And that is why we go for that. Okay, so let's say I want to pay right now. I'm going to tap on the arrow button right close to the pool mining. It says pool mining 3 because I have 3 running minus. I tap on that, and then I would tap on add pool miner, and I can adjust the rate. But before that, they ask you the payment method you want to use. Either Telegram Stars, if you have Telegram Stars already, okay, you want to use your Telegram Stars, or if you have crypto, they take USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tron and all that. So this is how to make money. The hash rate, you're going to choose what you want. Now for the rich guys, you're going to go for like the very, very big ones where you're paying 3,300 ton. Okay. How much is 1 ton? Let's go back and check. When you tap on the wallet icon, it should bring you here. And you can see ton USD 2.7. Now it's falling. I'm going to buy some more mining hash power. So I'm going to go to this part, the main page, tap on the plus button, and then scroll down. You can pay with either Telegram Stars or crypto, but most of us are used to crypto, so we're going to go with crypto. And then you adjust how much you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy 100 kilo hash per second. For 3 months, it's going to cost me 6.7 ton per month, because you can see right close to the duration, it says price per month. So 6 times 3. Okay, when I scroll down here, I'm going to see 20.3 ton, which is equivalent to 51 euros. Now that should be about $55 or $56. Okay, so I can also choose to go for 24 months. Now the higher the duration, the higher the discount. So you can see 3 months gives me a 15% discount, but 24 months is going to give me a 50% discount. It depends on how much money you have. If I'm also going for 24 months, it's going to give me 3.9 ton per month. Okay, now that would also give me 240 euros. That would probably be around $260 or $250 for that time duration, that 2 years, 24 months. So let's say I'm going for 3 months. Okay, I scroll down here, it says I'm going to save 15%, so I save 3.5 ton, right? Then I tap on buy, because this one is going to give me, I think, about 20 ton in cost. Now right at the top, you're going to see awaiting payment, so they're going to wait for 24 hours for you to make that payment. And then down here, purchase method, you can choose whichever one you want to use. Okay, let's say USDT. So 54.9 is what it's going to cost me, and I can choose my network. So let's say Tron BNB. I think Tron is very cheap, so you can go with Tron network and then tap on pay now. And then it says we kindly ask that you pay the amount strictly, not more or less. Accept. And then remember, your order ID is there. You are going for 100 kilo hash per second for 3 months. So your total amount is going to be almost $55. And then the address is going to be sent through the Ton network. You can tap on copy to copy it, or you can just scan this and then you send the payment to it. So don't scan this. Make sure you're doing it on your phone. I'm just showing you here. All right. Or you can pay now with your NC wallet. I've shared the NC wallet link down in the video description, as I always do. It's one of the wallet. It's a very powerful wallet. It has almost zero fees on any transaction you want to do. And if you think I'm lying, for those of you in the comment making like silly comments without verifying the information, go and check it for yourself. All right, so you can see they are waiting for the payment. It's going to take 24 hours for them to wait on you to make the payment. Let's close this. Now this is how you increase or you purchase your premium, which mines faster. Now let's look at how much profit I have made so far. Let me open my calculator, but before that, I told you the price of Ton was hovering around 2.7. Okay, so I'm going to open my calculator. I put in about $228 for 6 months. So let's divide this by 6. It's going to give us $38. That means that for me to break even, I should be making $38 every month. Okay, so at the time I went in, Ton was around $3.5 for 1 ton. But currently the price of Ton has fallen. Like I said, your advantage is that the price of Ton remains the same or goes up, but the disadvantage is if it falls. That's the only downside to this investment. Okay, but the aim is to make money. All right, so break-even profit should be $38 a month. Now I am making about, so from here 38, I'm supposed to make 38 a month, but since I started mining, it's been exactly like 1 month since I started mining. So let's go check how much I've mined so far and then convert it into dollars and see whether it's more than $38 a month. So I'm going to go back here. Okay, and then you can see that currently I've mined 1.45 ton. I tap on the wallet icon, I've mined 13.914. So I'm going to add these two, 1.45 plus 13.94, 15.39 in 1 month. Now multiplied by the current price of Ton. I'm going to do that. Then I'm also going to do multiplied by the 3.5. That is if Ton had never fallen from the price that I bought it, how much I would have made. So currently the price of Ton is 2.7. When I multiply that, I'm making 41.5. Okay, now minus 38, my break even, I'm still making $3.5 a month, even though the price of Ton has fallen by almost $1. Now, assuming Ton hadn't fallen and I made about 15.39. Okay, 15.39 multiplied by the price of Ton when I first invested, I'll be making 53.8. Now, minus 38 break-even profit means I'll be making $15.8 a month. Multiply that by 6 months, I would have made $95, almost $100 in 6 months. Now divide this by how much I put in, would give me 41. So times 100%, I'll be making 41.75% profit. Okay. So, and this is also giving me that profit because they also give me a discount when I was buying, depending on your package. That means that those who go for the very huge ones even make way more profit. Now, what if I calculate based on the current price of ton as it's falling? My $3, I think I was making about, let me check my history. I was making about $3 here. Let's use that. Okay. So my $3 a month, okay, $3 a month times 6 months will be $18. And this is only because the price of ton has fallen. Even though the price of ton has fallen from the time I first invested, I am still profitable. So imagine if it rises from where you're investing today. So I feel like right now is even the best time to get in because the price of ton is cheaper. So it's going to be more profitable for you when there's a bull run. And that's why you can also mine and keep this. Even when you are mining ton, yes, you can swap to USDT, you can swap to BTC and all that. But you can also hodl it and wait for the price to increase and then you take it out. So currently, all things being equal, I would have made about 41% in profits. But as it stands, I am making 18 at the current rate. 18 divided by 228 multiplied by 100. I'm making almost 8% in 6 months. This is worst case scenario, and it's even higher than some of the rates the banks are giving you. Okay, so all in all, I think it's a profitable investment. I'm currently waiting on the price of ton to go up, but it's something you might want to check out. It's not financial advice. If you want to, you can go for it. But this is it, guys. This is how much investment went into it and how much profit that I've made so far. So thank you for watching. Join my Telegram, Undervalued Cryptos. I share mining app information and airdrop information. Let's get money online. Thank you for watching. Bye.